Hi guys, this is Anne. Today I'm making cauliflower wings, at least raw vegan. So what I have here is some cauliflower that I'd put in the freezer so that when the wings come out they're kind of nice and juicy. So that's it. Then we have 10 dates here. We have I think a quarter cup, or I think this is like an eighth because they're quite a small amount. This is paprika. We are putting 1 teaspoon. We are having 2 teaspoons of onion powder, garlic powder, 2 teaspoons. I've put also fresh garlic. Then we have a pinch of salt, or 2 pinches of salt. Then we have an eighth of cayenne pepper. We have thyme herb, that's just a teaspoon of thyme herb. Then we have tomatoes. You should put maybe 1.5 cups. I think mine are less. Then we have coconut aminos, which I've put a teaspoon. We have lemon juice, which should be a teaspoon. And also we have some spring onions here as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to take all these ingredients, put them in the blender and blend. Then we'll put the cauliflower in a bowl, and then we'll mix it all up, and then we'll dehydrate it, or you can put it in your oven if you like. Okay, let me just put everything together. Okay, I've started with the tomatoes to give the blender an easy time blending up everything else. So because the tomatoes are more watery, so I'll do that. Then I'll blend this, and I'll put the spring onions at the last time just to pulse it. Okay, I have tasted it and it tastes delicious. At least a sauce with no fat in it, so that's what I wanted, because at times I feel clogged slightly. All right, so now just pour it in there and mix it up. It tastes so nice. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to mix it. Okay, I think I'll use my hands. Makes it much easier. Look, it has a nice color. That looks delicious. All right, we'll put it here into the dehydrator. Uh-oh. So you can see what I'm doing. Be lovely. I'm going to put them at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Then I'll reduce it down. After an hour, I'll reduce it to 115 Fahrenheit. So that it can soak up all the sauce inside, and then I'll show you when they are done. And it's going to take around 8 hours to dehydrate. So yeah, see you then. Bye. Hey guys, here are the cauliflower wings. They're nice and not too hard and crunchy. They're a nice consistency, nice and juicy. So just dip them in this. This is just a guacamole that instead of putting chopped up onions and garlic, you just put the powders and a little of the cilantro, fresh cilantro, and lime and salt. Yeah, that's it. Then you just enjoy. It is really nice. I'll show you when as I'm eating it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't, and bye. Hey guys, I've just decided I'm going to show you as I eat. This is the cauliflower wings, and then obviously the guacamole. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dip or scoop that, as you can see. It's not bad. Don't expect it to be a wing like the real wings, but it's not as crunchy. It has some moistness to it. I think next time I'm going to try it when it has some kind of fat, like a seed, to see if it will make it even tastier. Obviously when you put oil it's going to be much more tastier, but I'm trying to avoid putting as much oils and fats on my diet. Sometimes I do, I mean, life is about enjoying yourselves, but once in a while I also enjoy this. Okay, this video will take forever, so try and make yours and tell me how you like it. We're also experimenting with different kinds of raw foods. And yeah, enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching.